home enthusiasts, we're in the home and we're here to help you decide which ergonomic pillow to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. We all need good quality sleep to help keep our mental and physical well-being in top condition. For you to achieve that, an ergonomic pillow would make a great investment. Not only will it improve your sleep quality, but it will also help alleviate common pain points that many individuals suffer from. So if you're looking for relief from body aches, or if you just want a well-rested sleep, you're in good hands. Our team at In the Home has gathered for you a list of the top 5 ergonomic pillows you can get your hands on. Rest assured, you'll be sleeping like a baby after purchasing from our top picks. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The ergonomic pillows that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The ergonomic pillow coming in at number 5 on our list is the CosyTech Cervical Memory Foam. This memory foam pillow is made of high-density materials, which will not deform easily over time. This provides the user with optimal balance support and cushioning, while it can easily last more than 5 years of everyday use. The said materials are 100% safe for human health, which gives you the ultimate peace of mind. The contour pillow itself is covered by an inner cover pillow and an outer cover. Our team likes to highlight that this cervical pillow supports the natural curvature of the neck and provides proper spinal alignment. These properties allow the muscles to stretch, which relieves pain and tension in the neck and back area. We also like to make mention that this pillow is designed with high and low bulkiness, which allows unblocked airflow in the body to reduce snoring. Since bedding and sleep quality are also directly related to your sleeping position, the design of this pillow improves your sleeping posture, which will allow you to enjoy a deeper sleep. It also offers great inner air circulation, which keeps the pillow cool as you rest. The pillow has dimensions of 23.6 by 13.4 by 3.54 inches and weighs 2.6 pounds. While the CosyTech Cervical Memory Foam is suitable for all sleepers, we highly recommend it for side and back sleepers, as well as individuals who have snoring problems or sleep apnea. Our team at In the Home finds it highly functional while providing maximum comfort, which is why we have included it on our top 5 list. The ergonomic pillow coming in at number 4 on our list is the Core Products D-Core Cervical Support Pillow. This pillow is made of non-allergenic 100% virgin polyester fiberfill, while its cover is made of an equal blend of cotton and polyester. The D-shaped center provides better back sleeping by cushioning the head and allowing the built-in neck roll to support your neck. For side sleeping, the raised panels keep your head leveled for proper spinal alignment. This helps maintain or restore proper curvature of the spine, while it treats aches and pains in the neck and shoulder area. Our team suggests getting the right size pillow because the taller individuals prefer the full size one, whilst most women and children prefer the mid-size pillow. Our team likes to highlight the pillow's 2 firm cervical rolls that provide different support options. We suggest using the smaller neck roll if you are in the adjustment phase or if you prefer less support, while you can use the larger neck for full support. It may take time to completely adjust, but it will be sure to help you restore proper sleeping posture. Overall, our team at In the Home loves this pillow's functional design that is made for optimal back and neck support. We highly recommend this for people who experience aches and pains so that they can get restful sleep, as it relieves them completely in the long run. This ergonomic pillow is designed for quality, earning the number 4 spot on our list. The ergonomic pillow coming in at number 3 on our list is the Eli and Elm Side Sleeper Pillow. This ergonomic pillow is specifically designed and engineered for side sleepers. It conforms to the user's head and neck to give them optimum support while lying down. Side sleepers may experience neck pain because a flat pillow doesn't offer full support when holding one's head up. This side sleeper's U-shaped design, however, is built to alleviate neck pain and promote proper spinal posture and alignment. Our team was able to adjust the pillow to our desired height and support thanks to its removable latex and polyester filling. We were able to unzip the pillow and remove or add filling to our preference. We would like to highlight that its hypoallergenic cover is made of high-quality cotton with a mixture of polyester for optimum comfort. This makes it breathable as it allows greater airflow for maximum cooling, while it is also antimicrobial and dust mite resistant. In addition, the said cover is equipped with an interior liner that allows easy removal and washing. In terms of size, the pillow's dimensions are 17 by 29 by 6 inches, while it weighs 6.59 pounds. Overall, the Eli and Elm side sleeper pillow is expertly crafted for side sleepers to enjoy a healthy sleeping posture that provides them with maximum comfort. Our team loves how this pillow is made with optimal precision, making it conform to the precise contours of the head and neck. This is the ultimate side sleeper pillow, which is why there is no way we aren't adding this to our top 5 list. The ergonomic pillow coming in at number 2 on our list is the Epabo Contour Memory Foam Pillow. This luxurious ergonomic pillow is ideal for all sleepers and provides relief for individuals who experience neck pain. The pillow's premium fabric keeps the user cool and comfortable throughout their sleep at night. It has breathable memory foam that provides better air circulation, and its hypoallergenic pillowcase with a proprietary blend of rayon and polyester feels silky soft. The pillow's design allows proper support that aligns your head, neck, shoulder, and back, making you fall asleep faster and deeper. Our team likes to note that all materials used in manufacturing the pillow contain no harmful chemicals. We like to highlight that at the bottom part of the pillow, you will find a removable piece of memory foam. This gives you the option to take it out and lower it if you feel that the pillow is too high. In terms of size, the pillow has a dimension of 15.2 by 9 by 6.1 inches, and it weighs 1.95 pounds. At the time of making this video, the Epabo comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee in which they will offer a full refund for any defects or if you simply aren't satisfied with the product. This is great after-sales service on their part. Overall, the Epabo Contour Memory Foam Pillow is the choice to buy if you experience chronic neck pain, allowing the user to wake up completely relieved. Our team at In The Home loves this functional pillow's therapeutic features, which is why we have decided to place it at number 2 on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 ergonomic pillow on our list, the Royal Therapy Queen Memory Foam Pillow. This ultra-adjustable ergonomic foam pillow is designed to contour the shape of the body to support your head and neck while it keeps your spine in neutral alignment. Our team likes to highlight that this cervical pillow provides a greater resistance under the heaviest part of the head while giving full support to the lighter, more sensitive neck area. This reduces any discomfort and allows your muscles to relax properly for deep, well-rested sleep. When pressure is removed from the memory foam, it slowly returns to its original form. Our team likes to make mention that the Royal Therapy Memory Foam Pillow is also a great benefit to individuals with sleeping problems, as there is less tossing, turning, and discomfort. The pillow's bamboo cover, on the other hand, is constructed with heat-dissipating technology that eliminates thermal buildup and keeps you cool during sleeping. In terms of size, the pillow has dimensions of 24 by 14 by 5 inches, while it weighs 1.15 pounds. Overall, the Royal Therapy Queen Pillow offers unmatched comfort levels. Our team found it very firm while maintaining its bounce and holds its shape remarkably well. We highly recommend it for individuals who have a history of trouble sleeping because of its therapeutic build. This superior quality pillow definitely outlasts others in its class, earning the number 1 spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 ergonomic pillows which got our team In The Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next ergonomic pillow roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.